To make these cute heart bracelets or chains, I'm using 1 mm or 18 gauge copper wire, bell making pliers, a side cutter, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and nylon pliers. I show you 2 ways of making the hearts. We start with the intuitive way. Use your bell making pliers to make a loop with its smaller segment. Then grab the wire with the next bigger segment beneath the loop and bend the wire around it to form the tip of the heart. Then change position and grab the wire with the small segment facing inwards to the other loop, but just a tiny bit lower than the loop. Then form a second loop to finish the heart shape. Cut the ends with a flush cutter, and you can refine the loops if you need with the round nose pliers and flatten out the heart with your flat pliers. Let's repeat this again. If you want equal hearts every time, the most crucial thing is to make them the same way each time. I have my plier sequence to make them, but if I have a day in between, the hearts will look slightly different than the day before. So in any case, make all the needed hearts in a row if you want them as equal as possible. To make it more reproducible, I have another way for you to make the hearts. The accurate way. For this one, make a heart and straighten out the wire. Then measure the length of the wire that you used. For me, this is 2.9 centimeters or 1.14 inch. Then make a loop on both ends of the piece of wire. Then I put my round nose pliers into the loops and hold the wire section firmly where the tip of the heart will be. Then I squeeze the loops together and voila, another heart as equal as possible. To connect the hearts we made, we need some infinity links. I already made a video how to make infinity links for chains and bracelets, and I will link this video for you below. We also need a nice clasp and a jump ring for our bracelet or chain. This is my preferred method to make them. To finish the bracelet, we simply connect the infinity loop with one loop of each heart until we have reached the desired length. Attach the jump ring and clasp to the ends and we're done. This is the final result. These chains or bracelets are a wonderful gift for your loved ones. I also made one for my beloved dog. I hope you enjoyed this project and you can spread more love with it. If you want to send love to me, please like and share my video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.